Wow, I love the effect. Just imagine. These robots are something else. Wow. What is it?
Honey, please, can I talk to you?
Say anything you want to say here now. Talk. I'm listening.
It's something private, please.
Do we have any stranger here?
I don't even understand.
My friend, will you just stop? We're all one.
I don't understand it, baby. How did you end up getting this kind of thing, this non-living thing pregnant in the first place? Because she's so daft that she cannot understand a simple instruction. There is no stranger here. Say whatever you want to say. Say whatever you want to say and get out, please. Just think.
Simple instruction. Just...
Can't deal with that stench.
Can you save yourself the stress? Save yourself the insults and do the needful. Talk. I'm listening.
Please, I beg you, just some minutes with you.
My friend, can you just talk like a human being? Look at how you are. You a statue? Eh? You can't just kept yourself like this. Baby, you're so sweet. She's still standing there, okay? Let me just...
Let her stand now. She's a statue. Statue of poverty and wretchedness. With a thought of confusion. What do you expect?
Don't worry, a second. Just a second. Let me just hear her out. I'll be back. I cross my heart, I promise. Okay?
Just stay far away from her. I don't want you coming back here smelling having that stench. That bash smell. That smell. That smell.
I don't even want to miss this sweetness a second. But what happened? Oh yeah. Come and tell me what.
I said don't go too close.
Walk fast now, walk well now. Walk like a human being. Oh, yo, there is no time, please. Talk now.
Sweetheart. My love. My husband. I am sorry that I am disturbing you. Please forgive me. Sweetheart, I do not know what I've done to you to get you this upset with the manner of the way you are treating me. My love, please forgive me. Whatever that I have done to you, intentionally or not, please. I beg you, forgive me, my husband. My love, we had a very sweet home. A home people envy. With our beautiful children. We had a peace-loving home, my love. And I don't know what happened all of a sudden. I do not understand what went wrong, my love. And then you brought in a devil's incarnate to come and destroy the peace we had in our home, my love. I don't know what happened, but please, Forgive me. I beg you in God's name to please forgive me. Forgive me.
If not that it is wrong to hit a woman, I would have slapped you. I would have washed you a very dirty slap. Are you alright? So because of this stupid talk, that's why you brought me out from where I was having a good time with the love of my life. Eh? Having sweet moments. You brought me out from that because of these piffles. Listen, the next time you will try this with me, you will not like me. Jane, sad.
This your face is not good again. What's the problem?
My dear, there is a big problem.
Again?
Yes, I have a problem.
What is it this time?
That woman is beginning to be a thorn in my flesh.
Woman? You mean Jane?
Yes. She is my problem right now.
No. You have everything in your palm. So how can she be your problem?
I have everything in my palm.
Yes.
I mean, I have everything under my palm when she is planning to send me packing.
Huh?
Okay.
No, it's a lie.
She told Chike to send me packing. As a matter of fact, she went as far as going to the village to tell Chike's mother that I am a prostitute.
What? And you're still here, seated, folding your arms. No, something must be done. We need to do something ASAP. Yes.
So what are we doing?
We need to do... is it not me again? Trust me. We need to do something now. I know we need to do something about it because where's my phone?
My sister.
Wait.
What do you want me to do? You expect me to use gandus on her?
No.
I'm here.
That's why I'm here. We'll do something about it. Yes, please.
Do something.
Hold on.
Every rapproche, start it, please. I want to see you now. I don't get it. Why have you decided to be useless for the rest of your life? Why? Why have you decided to be useless?
I'm sorry.
You are sorry.
I'm sorry.
Really? You are sorry. And yet you keep doing it over and over again. Can't you learn?
I won't do it again, I promise. Please. Just give me the last chance. I'm so sorry.
You know what? The next time you will try this, if you try this rubbish act that you just exhibited down there, I am going to sell off this building.
No, please.
Shh. Yes, I'm going to give it to someone who deserves it.
Please, sister, please. I won't do it again, I promise.
Are you crazy? Why would you think I'll leave a mansion for a psychopathic idiot like you?
Please, sister, I'm sorry, okay? I won't do it again, I promise. I'll be a changed person.
So just take. Ace, I need to change this money for me. Change the money to Naira. When you're done changing it, pay it directly into my account. Do you understand me?
Sure.
And make sure it doesn't exceed it, because if it does, I'm going to screw out your balls.
Please.
Alice, don't stain my dollars with that stinking hands of yours you'll be using to finger your bitch.
Are you sure?
Hello, good morning, sir. Yes. Yes, I'll remit the money this morning. I was on my way going to the bank to do that before you called. Oh, okay, thank you, sir. All right. Okay. God of God. Boss!
What's in Kilo Shelley?
My money.
What is it?
No. I can't find my money.
Which money? Which money?
In my bag. Money meant for my company's project.
Hey.
Yes.
Ha!
Did you see my money? Did you see it anywhere?
How?
$100,000. You didn't see anything?
Have you asked Jane?
Please call her. Call her for me, please. Oh, no, please.
Hey, she's here. Come this way and stand.
Jane, please. Did you take any money from my bag?
Money?
Yes. Dollars.
No. I did not take any money. I didn't take any money.
Jane, please think well now. $100,000 is missing from my bag. Money meant for my company's project. Please. Did you see the money?
Sweetheart, you're embarrassing me. I've been here with you for how many years? How will I take your money? For what?
Hey!
Check in Haru. Yes, in Haru, because this is our room. You've checked it. Check in Haru. Go check. Come on, you go. Let me check it. Let me be looking for it here. Hey.
What is my mommy doing in your box? Will you start talking? So I have been harboring a criminal in my house. I am coming back.
Mama, good afternoon. Mama, everything is not fine. Not at all, Mama. Mama, the worst is that I am being labeled a thief in my own house, Mama. I was motion in my house. Mama, oh, I know you're not feeling fine. I know, so I'm not expecting you. I'm just trying to tell you what is happening in my house. Yes, Mama. Mama, it's fine. It's fine. So what do you Nedim, there's a lot of things I want to say to you. A lot of things I have to say to you. Manaya Diba, when I see you, I'll talk to you about it. Yes.
Simply answer my question, Kenneth.
I can't remember your question.
Oh, now you can't remember my question. I see. I need to understand. What happened to the amount of money I gave you to put in my account?
Like, I don't understand. Am I the network? How am I to know?
You must really think you're talking to some upgrowing puppy. Are you sick in the head? I gave you that money to put in my account. And up to now, I am not being credited. I called my account officer and he told me that money was not sent to my account. So stop giving me that fallacy.
Fine. Sister, the truth is that I invested the money into a business that will double and I will pay you back with an interest.
This boy. Makachi, I am telling you the gospel truth. You are high on some cheap drugs. You're now taking colos, right? Because you know, you're sounding like a broken record. Do you know where I got that money from? Do you know the source of that money? Do you know what I went through to get that money? And here you are telling me this. Okay. Listen, Kenneth. I am giving you from now till 12 noon tomorrow. If I do not get that alert in my phone, if I don't get that amount of money that I gave you in my account, I swear, I am going to forget the fact that we are sharing the same parents. I am going to send you down to the oceans where you'll be chilling with the sharks. I am sure the octopus will be very glad to have you as a food. Don't you dare mess with me, idiot.
Sis, be calming down now. I'll pay you with an interest. What's all this now? Try and be calming down. I'll pay you your money.
You had the guts to go report me to my mom, saying I accused you. Now tell me, did I find the money in your bag or not? No, tell me to my front I'm lying. Did I not find the money in your bag?
God in heaven knows us. I did not take your money. How that money got into that place is something I don't know. It is a mystery.
Shut up your dirty mouth. It's a mystery. Criminal. Well, I still stand on what I said. You're leaving this house tonight. You are leaving.
Nonsense. Where do you want me to go?
Criminal! This is how you steal my... There is no room for criminality in this my house. Now, leave my house.
Where do you want me to go to?
Criminal, leave my house. I'm talking
to?
about looking at me because you feel you have that height. But I'm a man now. Your height can never intimidate me. Who are these people? Who are these people?
I don't take your money.
Who are these?
Where do you want me to go to?
Wait, you.
I did not take your money. Where do you want me to go to? I did not take your money. Where do you want me to go to?
You that is like NEPA lights. Come here. You, come here. Inside. Nonsense. Oh, you want to use my deeds against me? You want to use... Now, get out from my house. Criminal. Get out. Get away. There is no room for criminals in my house. No, it's not in my generation. And where are those kids? Oh, you have started learning how to pick one or two.
What a life, what a tragedy. This life is so mysterious. What a life, it's a wicked one. But this is too much to bear. Manachuku iye kweka jamadu emerianono. Are you watching my father? Manolisa iye kweka jamadu emerianono. But are you watching? I hope you're watching. Yeah. What a life, what a tragedy. This life.
Oh God of heaven!
What a life.
The only true God!
But this is too much to bear.
The only God that I serve! God, you've seen what my husband has done to me. For something I know nothing about. I have been accused and labeled a thief in my house. Oh God of vengeance! If truly what I've been accused of is true, may I not live to see the end of the day. But you, oh God of vengeance, if I am not guilty, Lord, vindicate me! Vindicate me!
Manachuku iye kweka jamadu emerianono. Are you watching my father? Manolisa Kweka Jomadu Emily. God, are you watching? I hope you're watching.
Lord, I don't know where I'm going to. Please direct my step. Amen.
Hey. What a life, what a tragedy. This life is so mysterious. What a life, it's a wicked world. But this is too much to bear. Manachuku Iyekweka Jamadu Emerianono. Are you watching my father? Manolisa Iyekweka Jamadu Emeri. God, are you watching? I hope you're watching. Yeah.
I hope you are not still thinking about what happened between you and your sister.
I don't understand what happened.
Yes, regarding the money she gave you to change and deposit for her in the bank. She cannot come here and be harassing you like that.
And who told you she was harassing me?
Don't pretend. I heard every conversation word to word.
And so?
You don't have to bother yourself. She will do nothing. She's married. Let her remain in her husband's house. And not to come here and start making noise.
Kate! Is my elder sister talking to you in that manner?
Yes. Why would she be threatening you that if you don't return the money by tomorrow, you will see the other side of her?
Come on, she has every right to talk to me in any manner. This is the money we're talking about. After all, you're the one that even brought the idea of us diverting the money.
Well, let me not talk too much. Let her do her worst, and I will help her blow her trumpet if she doesn't take her time.
Kate! What's wrong with you?
Yes. Whatever that is made through the back doors goes out through the back doors.
Sister Jane. Sister Jane, what is the matter? Where are you going by this time with your bag?
Pastor, I'm dead.
Sister Jane.
I'm finished.
Sister Jane, don't say that. You cannot be dead while you are still breathing. What is the matter? Talk to me, I'm your pastor.
Pastor, my husband sent me out of the house. I don't have anywhere else to go to.
Have you been having any problems?
No. I think I was blackmailed by a second wife for something I did not do. I didn't do anything wrong.
Sister Jane, I was just closed for the day and on my way home. I don't know. What do we do now?
Pastor, I don't know. I am confused.
What about your family? I mean, your parents?
Pastor, I am an orphan. I grew up in motherless baby's home. That's why I told you that my husband is my only hope.
Sister Jane, I believe the best thing for us to do is to go back to the church and we can think of the next cause for action. What of your children?
My kids. My husband sees them from me.
It is well. It shall be well. Come, let's go inside, please. Let's go inside. Eh? Let's go inside. It's okay. Sister Jane, it's okay. It's okay.
Yes, Pastor.
Let's go inside, please.
Are you watching my father?
Brother Chike, good morning.
Pastor, what is good about this morning? And what are you doing in my house this early?
And you criminal, Onyoshi! What are you doing in my house again?
Brother Chike, excuse me. Please, I take exception to your tone. You know that I have been your pastor and...
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up your mouth! What nonsense? In fact, you're a suspect. You're a suspect! You've connived with her to dye my money. Oh yes, that's why you're here. Listen. This is still early in the morning. I don't want to bother myself. Now, both of you, get away from my house. Now. Get away from my house before. Listen,
Brother Chike, are you...
Pastor, see, I don't want to hear anything. Now leave my house. I don't want to turn into another thing here. Leave my house!
So, Brother Chike...
Pastor, if I give you flying nothing, you will forget many verses in the Bible. Leave! Leave! My friend, stand... Hey. Well, I can never have a bad day because of a criminal. It's not possible now. What is wrong with you? Why are you standing according to your height? Humming. Did you turn mosquitoes overnight? Hey, this way! This way! I don't even want to talk to you. I don't even want to, because if I approach you now, there will be a problem. Criminal!
Sister Jane, please get into the car, let's go. Sister Jane, listen to me. Sister Jane, I do not need you to cry. Please, don't cry like those who do not have hope. For Christ in us is the hope of glory. This is just a trial period you are going through. Sister Jane, I can give you one assurance. One very good assurance. As long as the God I serve remain, the truth will surely prevail. The devil just wants to break your heart. And I don't want you to give him that chance. Okay?
Yes, Master. It's fine. It's fine.
It is. It is.
It's fine.
I will talk to one of our members and see if they can fix you up with something. Okay?
Thank you, Master.
It's okay. Please get into the car.
What a life, what a tragedy. This life is so mysterious. What a life, it's a wicked world. But this is too much to bear. Mana chuku iyekwe kaja madu emerie nono. Are you watching my father? Manolisa iyekwe kaja madu emerie. God, are you watching? I hope you're watching. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Hey. What a life, what a tragedy.
Chike, I have listened you talk, but I want to ask, where is your wife? Because I have not seen her since yesterday I came.
Mama, she has been serving you food now. Yes.
I mean your wife, Jane.
That one, please, Jane is no longer my wife. She stole our company monument for a project.
And?
I sent her packing.
Chike. All these years you have been living with Jane, she has not stolen from you. It is now that Jane will steal. Chike, don't you think that this is a frame-up?
Mama, I caught her red-handed. Well, I don't want to talk about this matter again. She's gone for good. So let's just leave it at that.
You sent her packing. Chike, you sent her packing. Where did you send her to? Where did you want her to go? Chike, you know that this girl has no parents.
She's an adult now. She can take good care of herself. She can go to anywhere she wants to go to and continue that her stealing. Maybe she will go and steal the one they will just stone her or burn her alive. Jungle justice is existing, These boys are not okay out there. See, let me tell you, Mama. You are not feeling fine, remember. You have BP. And BP prompt seizure. Partial stroke is for real, Please take off your mind from a long forgotten issue. She's gone for good, Biko. Please.
Chike, that is why I'm talking about Jen. She's the only woman, only girl that takes good care of me. She knows how to treat me. Oh my God, Chike has killed me.
Mama, stop crying. If anything happens now, it's on my head. I'll start running around from one hospital to the other. Please stop complaining about this one. So don't sit and be
where are you?
No,
where are you? Chike! Hey, can you come here, this boy? Can you come here? Send it away. Tell my daughter.
What is going on here? What is going on here and why are you all carrying your bags?
I'm no longer comfortable since Jane is not here. Therefore, I want to go back to the village.
And you're going with my kids?
Yes. I want to go and take good care of them since their mother is nowhere to be found.
On whose permission? Did you take permission from my wife, Bose, before taking that decision? Did you?
Chike, you mean I should take permission from Bose before taking care of my grandchildren?
Yes.
Chike,
She's their stepmother. You should take permission from her before taking that decision, Mama.
You are biting more than you can chew. Enough of this stupidity, my friend.
I am talking, you all are looking at me, mopping at me like microorganisms. Come on, carry your bags upstairs. What's this, son? Carry your bags upstairs. Fast! Nonsense. Mama, I don't like this, oh. You should take permission from my wife before taking that decision. She's their stepmother. She should say what and not on their matter.
Chike, I know you are not doing all these things with your clear eyes. I promise you, very soon, Chike, very soon, you will regret it.
Mama, my eyes are clear.
You will regret it.
Very, very clear. Oh. All the clear, Mama. Let me drop you off if you're going to village before they...
Don't drop me.
Mama, I will drop you before they will say they saw my mother walking on the road. Walking under the sun.
Hey! Where did you get this food you're eating from, Emeka? Where did you get it from?
In the kitchen.
Enough, are you in a Have you gone sick? Didn't I ban you from entering that kitchen? Okay, because I'm not government. I mean, that's why he's not here. Yeah, you must be mad. In a poala. I'm talking about don't bring out the food. Bring it out, not poala. I'm talking. Eh? Even you are eating. Nonsense. Can you imagine? Look at the shape of your head like a dog that's been eaten long times in this life. That's why your head is not straight. You don't think well. I give you orders, I will kill you. Stick on your mother. Come on.
That's fine. It looks good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Wow, this design is fine. Go back.
Right?
Yeah.
Good evening, good morning. You don't even know which is morning and night. Eh? Good evening, sir. Good morning, man. And what are you people doing here?
I have to do when we resume school because...
Wait, shut up your dirty mouth. You want to know when you are resuming school? You want me to be spending my hard-earned money on these empty skulls? Eh? When I know you will already grow into being a criminal like your mother. Especially you, look at your eyes. The way you're shining your eyes. You're already taking over Anene. I can see it in you. Future Anene. Yes. Because the way you are, the way you look at some things in this house, like you want to, make them vanish. Especially inside the kitchen. Looking at meats to steal something to eat all the time. Is it you? Up Nepa? Yeah? Good morning, good evening. You don't even know the daytime. How can I be spending money on these empty skulls? You have already taken over your mother, always standing like a statue. Must stand well. Whether you a ghost, self, I don't even know. Are you sure this girl is not a ghost? What the man? Huh? My friend, in fact, see. From today onwards, I do not want to see any of you cross that door. Do you hear what I said? I said I don't want to ever see you cross that door or see you playing inside this compound for any reason. If not, I will cut off your heads. Honey, please, do not allow these kids step out from this door for any reason, please, okay?
Trust me, honey, don't you? I will do exactly what you want me to do.
Huh? Look at them. Look at how you're shining your eyes. Look at how your eyes are shining. Like I'm rubber torch. Looking for what to steal. You cannot steal me. It is not possible. Now get out from this place. Get out. Look at how this one is walking like a ghost. Hey, God forbid. Walking statue. Honey, sorry, don't mind these kids, They are joy killers.
Joe.
Let's go back to our...
We're picking this one.
Yes.
This one is not that expensive. You could afford it. I'm sure you can buy it from me. It's just, you said it's 3.5 million. Hey, Kate. Okay, you're here, right? Okay. I am actually going out. And I'm going to be talking to you, the eldest one. Hold your ears very well. Very well. Good. I do not want to see any of you leaving this compound. Don't even leave this house. If at all you have to play, make sure you do not get to the extent of leaving the house or even getting to the gate man's place. If you leave the compound at all, you are dead. Do you understand me? Am I understood? I don't want to see you leaving this house. That's the bottom line. Okay? Good. I'm coming. Can I have this? Have this? This is your meal. This is for morning, this is for afternoon, and then when I come back in the evening, if it's a poop or a shit, you eat it. Do you understand it? That is raw rice. That is raw indomie. Am I understood? Good.
Auntie.
Yes?
How are we going to eat this food since you don't let us go to the kitchen? How are we supposed to eat it raw?
You eat it raw. When I was your age, I eat raw things. Yes, my darling. In fact, back in those days, we eat raw food. Yes, like me, I ate raw tubers of yam. I ate raw bitter leaf. I ate raw grass. Even that remote, even when we eat it, anything plastic we eat. Food is food. Do you understand me? If you don't like what I gave you, you can eat gold. After all, gold is more expensive than the food.
But
Ash! If I take a moment from you, I'll slap you. Do I look like your retarded mother? I think I'm your slave. Wait.
Sister Jane, what is it again? I told you to stop thinking so that you will not bring upon yourself an unknown illness.
Pastor, I'm just worried about my children. I don't know how they are doing in the hands of that wicked woman.
Your children are with their father. Your children are with their father, and I am very sure that he's not going to allow something bad to happen to them, no matter how wicked he is.
Pastor, I'm just being a woman, a mother. I miss my children.
I know, Sister Jane. I believe that what is going to put your mind at rest is for you to go and see your kids next week. You'll have to go and see your kids next week. Has it been long you came?
No, not really, Pastor. And some members are inside church already.
Okay. And I believe we should go and join them in the Bible study. It's late. Please, come with me.
called me.
Yes. The case said that you feed them raw rice anytime they are hungry. Did you hear what I said?
That the kids said what?
That you feed them raw rice anytime they come to you telling you they are hungry. You feed them.
You believed that I, Bosse, gave them raw rice. Really?
Listen, Bosse, you should do the right thing now. When they tell you they are hungry, give them food. That you ask me to stop them from going to school doesn't mean you starve them. I mean, you can do better now.
When? How? And where did I give them the raw rice? Now tell me, what is the difference between raw rice and boiled rice?
No difference.
What is the difference?
No difference.
And you have the guts to come and sit me down here, cautioning me, shouting at me because of those midgets, those nitwits you call children of yours. How dare you?
Just imagine, what is even the difference between the raw rice and the noodles they have been eating in this house?
Just get out of my sight, please. Just get out. Let me just see reasonable people.
So
leave my sight.
Let me just meet them there first. Let me meet them inside that room and know why they should lie against their stepmother. I don't want.
Fool.
Yeah.
Hi, babe.
Hi, sweetheart. How are you doing?
I'm fine. How is it going?
Well, as usual, stressful. What about the kids?
The kids. I've not seen them since yesterday.
Since yesterday?
No, I'm not.
I don't understand. What happened?
I don't know. Maybe the mother came to pick them up.
The mother what? I instructed them not to leave, not even step out from that door. Talk more of stepping into that compound. And who allowed them? Where is the gate man?
I don't know. You should be asking the imp.
Oh my goodness, where is that stupid gate man? Where is he?
What a life, what a tragedy. Yeah, there's This life is so mysterious. Hey, what a life, it's a wicked one. But this is too much to bear. Manachuku iyekweka jamadu emerianono. Are you watching my father?
Welcome. Good afternoon. Please, can you give me 2 bags of your water?
One is 500.
Okay, well, give me.
I hope you're watching.
Yeah, what is it? It's me. Ah, madam. Come inside.
No. I don't want to come inside. Please, I'm here to see my children. Please.
You mean Emeka and the...
Yes, let me call them. I want to know how they are doing. Just tell them that I'm here.
I've not been here for about some weeks now. Even Oga and Madam said you came and took them away. I don't understand.
Eh?
Yes.
Who came and took them away? Who? Me? Took them away? How?
That is what I was told. I don't understand. Come inside now. Come inside. Come on. Madam, are you okay?
Hey. Are you sure they have not killed my children? Are you sure they have not killed my children? Are you sure they have not killed my children? Are you sure?
Madam, she's okay. Just come inside. Let's... Come on.
Hey. Emeka. Hey! Jesus! Hey!
What's going on? Madam, come in.
But you say for weeks now. Go to where?
I said you took them now.
Took them to where? Did you see me here? Did you see me here? Took them to where? Took them to where?
Okay.
Hey!
Madam. Madam.
Hey!
Madam.
You say how many weeks now? My child don't care how many weeks now. You want to close gate? Where are my children?
Oga said you took...
Which Oga? Where are my children? Did you see me here? Did you see me here? Hey!
Call Oga on the phone, huh? Oh, sorry.
What a life, what a tragedy. This life is so mysterious. What a life, it's a wicked one. But this is too much to bear. Manachuku iyekweka jamadu emerianono. Are you watching my father? Manolisa iyekweka jamadu emerianono. But are you watching? I hope you're watching. Yeah. What a life, what a tragedy. This life is so mysterious. What a life, it's a wicked one. But this is too much to bear. Manachuku iyekweka jamadu emerianono. Are you watching my father? Manunisa, you wake up to Madu Emania. What are you watching? I hope you're watching.
My love. My love, what is it? Why is your face like this? Baby, talk to me now. What is it? You know I hate it when you're, when you're like this. What is the problem?
Babe, seriously, I am bothered.
Bothered about what?
The kids. I am bothered about the kids. I don't even know how they are coping. I don't know what's happening to them. The way they left the house, everything, I'm just not comfortable. The fact that they are no longer in this house is making me bothered.
Baby, what about them? I thought you said their mother came and took them away.
Huh? Yes, that was what I thought. But the gate man is saying otherwise.
Come on, baby. That shouldn't be a problem. Come on. Hey, my love. Listen, let's allow them, to their fate. Since they chose to leave the house. What matters is your happiness.
No.
Okay?
It simply means that the gate man is a lousy, incompetent fellow. Yes. For him to allow this kind of thing to happen, it means criminals and armed robbers can easily walk into this compound and harm us. He's useless. What is the need of him?
But the problem is, who will man the gate?
We will handle the gate. In fact, I will personally handle the gate.
Okay. So let him go then.
Hey.
He should leave, yes.
He should go, right?
Let him go. In fact...
Don't worry, I will do it.
All right, baby. Just do as you will.
Don't stress yourself. Where is that legit?
If it's too hard for you, you can call on me. Okay, baby. It's not a big deal. He should leave the gate if he can, if he's not competent enough to be there. I pay him. Baby, I'm ready for work. I'm leaving. See you when I return.
Really?
Yes.
I'll come back. Where are you going to? You're going to work?
Yes.
In other words, I shouldn't have any breakfast today, right?
No, I've made your breakfast. It's in the kitchen.
And I'm supposed to get her from here. To go get the food myself. You must be sick. Are you crazy? Have you lost your sense of timing or what? Will you go and set the food on the dining table?
I'm sorry, let me...
You licking asshole. Look at this irritable creature. Don't blame you. Someone that's supposed to be imagine chilling in the oceans. You don't have sense.
Baby, the food is ready.
What about the money I asked you for foodstuffs?
It's in the room. I kept it on top of the desk.
How much did you keep?
200,000 as you instructed.
That's good. But I've changed my mind. When you're coming back, I want you to pass through the market and buy some foodstuffs. Else, there will be no food in this house. Yes, and that doesn't stop you from performing your duties at night.
Okay, no problem. But I thought you said you...
Like I said, I changed.